I have a special announcement to make. As our community accomplished so much during the year, many great accomplishments. We had the first opening of the free clinic at the mosque in Parma by Dr. Mansour Ahmed, called Ibn Sina. Dr. Mansour, congratulations. Also, the Lebanese Cultural Garden will be breaking ground, as I mentioned, tomorrow at the Cleveland Cultural Garden on Martin Luther King. And this evening we would like to recognize another first. Last fall, the Cleveland Public Theater began a workshop program for the Arabic community called Masrah Cleveland Al-Arabi, a group of talented volunteers consisting of a few experienced Arabic actors. But for most of the troupe, this way was the first time they participated in a production of this type. They were not just actors, but also wrote and helped to create costumes and stage sets. Production, the now famous play, Dream of Home, Hilm Watan. The play was so well received with all performances selling out that there is potential to take it on the road in other US cities. This production was only possible because of the ingenuity and inclusiveness of the staff of Cleveland Public Theater, by its director, Raymond Bobgan, and his assistant, Faye Hargate. For being at the forefront of creating a platform for the Arabic theater. CAMEO would like to recognize the Cleveland Public Theater, Masrah Cleveland Al-Arabi, for this unique production. This was the first time in the history of Cleveland an Arabic play was written and premiered in Cleveland by Clevelanders. We are so proud of you all. We would like to present an appreciation award on behalf of CAMEO to Cleveland Public Theater and Masrah Cleveland Al-Arabi. I would like to invite all of the group over there from Masrah Cleveland to come up here. Please, come on. If you haven't seen this production, you missed so much. It is one of the most touching production I've ever seen in my life. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, where's Faye? Come here. Come on.
Bravo!
Bravo. Yes, bravo, yeah. Also, a big thank for Dr. Wael Khouri and Sausan for being a part of the team also. Thank you so much. And the appreciation thing Cole said, with our greatest appreciation to the Cleveland Public Theater, represented by the Executive Artistic Director, Raymond Bobgan, and the Masrah Cleveland Al-Arabi, for the outstanding world premiere play, Dream of Home, Hilm Watan, created by the ensemble, Raymond Bobgan and Faye Hargate, and co-directed by Raymond Bobgan and Faye Hargate, and the ensemble, Abbas Al-Hilali. Okay, give him one of his. Abbas, when we mention your name, we give him one of this. This is for you. Come on, Abbas. This is for you from CAMEO. This is a copy of this.
Thank you.
Isam Bugib. Isam. Hussein Gharib. Hussein. Bojjani, Iba. Omar Kurdi is not here. Haneen Yahya, Haneen, تفضل. Jamal Julia Bojjani. Manar Yared, Manna Hama, okay. And with writing contribution for Nazik Halabi. Nazik. Thank you all. We were delighted with the performance of Dream of Home, Halm Watan. Thank you so much. This is good.
I would just like to say on behalf of Cleveland Public Theater's Board of Directors, the staff, and the artists, and Raymond Bobgan, we are so grateful for this appreciation. We're grateful for the love and support from Pierre and from many leaders in the community that said, yes, we want to be a part of this. The mission of Cleveland Public Theater is to raise consciousness and nurture compassion in our community through life-changing education programs and groundbreaking performance. And this is a huge testament to that. That cannot happen without the Arabic community involved. And we are so grateful for you, your artistry, your vibrancy, and your trust. And we have a long way to go, and we have many great adventures ahead of us. And thank you, Pierre, again, for this incredible recognition.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.